choo, Thomas friends, choo choo choo. Hi everybody, choo. Oh, wow! Wow!
Percy, no! The gorilla's gonna get you!
What do you mean?
Oh, instead I fell! Oh, he got you. Are you okay? Oh no, Percy's trapped! Keep watching to see if Thomas can rescue him.
Lily's magical playhouse. Today is really cool. We have a jungle and quest set. And we have a giant surprise egg and a little surprise egg.
Yeah, a Kinder Surprise egg, and this is heavy. I wonder what's in there.
I guess Thomas and Chains. Thanks, Fisher Price, for sending all of this stuff.
You might be right. We'll have to see. But first, let's check this Take and Play Jungle Quest out.
It looks so cool.
Yeah, Thomas makes a daring escape in the Jungle Quest set. It's got two-sided play, and it's portable. You can take it to your friend's house.
Awesome.
Yeah. Whoa, the back looks really cool too.
There's a map. Ooh.
Oh, it's a postcard actually. Greetings from the jungle. You won't believe the adventure Thomas had when he went in search of the lost emeralds.
Whoa!
With the gorilla chomping away, Thomas narrowly escaped to safety. Thomas and I will be returning to the island soon. Ooh, so we're gonna have to be careful of that gorilla, it looks like.
There's the gorilla!
Yes! Oh man, he looks scary.
Uh-huh. Let's get this out and play.
That's a great idea.
Yeah, we'll go fire. Ha! Open. Oh, I can't. Whoa! So we have some. Whoa!
Got some parts.
Put pots inside.
Whoa!
Now we can put it together and use some stickers.
Oh, neato.
We build it all. It's amazing. Whoa.
Yeah, check it out.
Watch this. Is the booby trap.
Booby trap.
Watch this. Dun, dun, dun. Boom. 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 Ah!
Whoa, cool.
See, that one's a booby trap.
Whoa.
Oh, looks like Thomas found a surprise egg.
Yeah. I think he'll have to open it.
I'm Thomas and I like surprise eggs.
What do you like best about the Kinder eggs? Do you like the surprise inside or do you like the chocolate?
The surprise and the chocolate.
You can't decide.
No, I like the chocolate.
You like the chocolate best?
And the surprise.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. You need to scarf that up.
Would you like some?
I'm sure I'll have a little piece. Thank you. Alright, let's save the rest for later. We got lunch coming up.
Whoa!
What kind of surprise did Thomas find?
Guess.
A fish.
No.
A helicopter.
No.
Porcupine.
Guess. Look at this. Look at it before you guess.
A butterfly.
Correct.
Awesome.
It's a butterfly. There we go.
Got it? Alright, you just need to put the butterfly's wings on now. Whoa, did you get it? Now you put it on your finger. There you go, and flap. Flap it. That is cute.
Oh, that's like a cute one.
Yeah. Got a little butterfly.
I like butterflies. Come on, Thomas, let's go.
Alright, let's see what's inside there.
Let's roll it! Wow! Let's fly!
Oh my
Yeah,
gosh.
with Thomas and Trees.
We got all Thomas's friends.
Beep, beep, beep. Come on, butterfly. Wow.
Look at all these. Cool.
I'm going to sit them in a line.
Nice.
Check out all of the Thomas and friends.
Whoa, very cool.
Say the names with me. Thomas, Captain Lee, Harold, Diesel Lee, Victor Lee, Duncan, Percy, Winston, Dash, and Kevin. Boom. Here they are. Choo, 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 choo.
That's cool.
Let's try them in the Jungle Quest set.
Okay, that's cool.
Let's go, Thomas. Thomas.
Oh, look.
Whoa. Awesome, we have the treasure. Okay, I'm going to have to carry this, so. Wow, it's hard to carry two stuff at a time. Okay. Thomas, are you behind me?
No! Percy, don't go that way.
I know where I'm going.
Oh, you're going to be in a lot of trouble. Percy, no! The gorilla's gonna get you.
Of course, what do you mean?
Oh, instead I fell. Oh, he got you. Are you okay?
I will get this much my track.
Yeah, I fell off too. It's quite a cliff over here.
Help me!
I'll send Harold to get you. Percy, are you okay?
No. I just got chopped down.
Hold on, Percy. We're going to get Kevin and he will help you. Alright, Kevin, go ahead. Use your crane and pull Percy over. Okay, Percy, looks like you're all set. I'm flying out.
Thanks, guys. And I'll fix us. Now I can go back with Thomas is.
Whee!
Hello, I'm back. And I fixed from chopping up my own self. That was the wrong way. So now we are going to follow you. Okay,
Come on. Come on, Percy. This way. I'll show you the right way.
Oh my
Right in
god.
here.
Okay, I'm not sure.
Okay, Percy. You're in the right side now. Here we go.
This looks like awesome. That's much better. Oh, jeez. Uh-oh, where am I? Ow! That's so bad.
Oh no, Percy! You're in quite the predicament. Oh, let me get help. I'll get you some help.
Wait.
What?
Take the gems, okay?
The gems? That's not important.
Of course it is. We will try to keep them.
Okay. I'll take those gems. Okay, Percy, I'm going to get help. I'll be back in a jiffy. Oh, great. Victor, you're here. I need your help. Percy is stuck underneath the bridge. Well, Thomas, I think I can handle that. Let me see here. Here's my steam engine, and we'll pull you out. Percy, are you okay?
I'm okay, but I'm quite squished.
Okay, don't worry. All right. Percy, I'm latching on now. All right, here we go, Percy. We got you out, Percy.
Thank you.
You are welcome. We'll see you later. I wonder where this goes. Must be a shortcut home. Here we go.
Toto!
What? I can't hear you.
It's gonna chop you!
What?
It's gonna chop you!
I can't hear you. Whoa! Ow!
Told ya! It's gonna chop you! Tell me what Thomas and Fun you like in the comments below! My favorite is Percy.
You like Percy?
Uh-huh.
Aren't you Thomas though?
Yeah.
So Thomas, oh, I guess that makes sense. It'd be kind of weird if you liked yourself, right?
Yeah.
Well, not exactly. I mean, you can like yourself, of course. Nothing wrong with that. Nice.
And it even has a place for the car and Thomas.
Nice.
There we go. And we have Thomas's. Everything's secure.
You gonna take that to your friend's house?
Uh-huh.
I'll see you later.
Bye, Dad. This was so much fun. Thank you so much for getting it.
You're welcome.
If you like Thomas and Friends, give this video a thumbs up. And subscribe for all these more videos like this one. And click the video to the side or below to watch more of my videos.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
Bye. To the side because I get so loud. Sitting in the corner because I'm doing live. Click the camera.